Hi and welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it'll be useful for you, because I have the pleasure to show you around this stunning 2017 67 plate Daytona Grey Metallic Volkswagen Golf GTD. Looks absolutely stunning and the car looks beautiful shining in the sunlight there. It has a host of options on the vehicle. In fact, one of which I'll show you there. Just by looking at the vehicle, we have the electrically folding exterior wing mirrors. Now this is the DSG, this is the automatic transmission. Just have a look down here at these stunning two-tone alloy wheels. The Volkswagen badge looking directly at us. Okay, and as you can also see, it does have the privacy glass from the B pillar backwards, so it really does contrast the grey paintwork very well. Now, what would a GTD be without that iconic tartan sort of hatch upholstery, which is beautiful? And we also have the virtual cockpit. So just close the door there. You may have just noted the mileage is 52,002. There we go. Full digital dashboard. And I'll just start the vehicle up and show you through some more options. So as you can see at the front of the vehicle here, on the interface, we have heated seats for both driver and passenger. That's 3-stage. Two-zone climate control and navigation. It's just checking the navigation data as we've only just started it up. Another nice feature, if I just pop that into reverse, we have the reversing camera with guidance lines. Put the back into park, and there we have our nav is all loaded up. Now, as standard, you do get the adaptive cruise control with the Volkswagen Golf. It's a beautiful vehicle, been very, very well looked after, and I'm sure it will find a nice home. So again, thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Again, I hope it's been useful for you. As you can see, this car is stunning. I may be repeating myself, but it's been very well looked after, very well maintained, and it sits very nicely on the road. So thank you for watching, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.